You searched for how to buy shares of Platform Group AG. This video walks through that exact process using the ticker TPG0.DE. Platform Group AG is listed on Xetra and operates in industrial modular platform solutions. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TPG0.DE to find the correct listing. Select the result that matches Platform Group AG to ensure you have the right stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for TPG0.DE. Confirm the company name, market Xetra, and ticker to ensure you are on the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the Xetra market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a pending order, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to view the example platform.